So, alright, I'm on the way to Salem from Munnar, and we will be passing to the Marriwood Forest right now. And after Marriwood Forest, we will be going through Udumalpet and then to Salem. Salem is about 280 kilometers from Munnar, and Marriwood Forest is about 60 kilometers from Munnar. And if you come to Munnar for a trip, then Marriwood is a good place that you can visit. There are a lot of tourist attractions here. And if you never heard before of Marayur Forest, you should know that it's famous as a sandalwood forest with thousands of naturally grown sandalwood trees here. I don't think that we can go inside the forest and then touch the sandalwoods or something. It's restricted, but part of the forest with the sandalwoods we will be going through, and all I know is that that part of the forest is fenced actually, like it's restricted with fences. Ride wise, it's an interesting ride. On the left side of you, you can get the view of the forest, and the right side, you have the hills and the valley view actually. But it's mid of the day, so it's a bit hot and sunny for me. But because of the wind, it's fine. Also, since I'm riding in the month of April, it's summerish and it's looking dry and not much greenery. But otherwise, I think the view would be even more beautiful here. So right now we are passing through some fenced areas, so I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that this is the part where you can find the sandalwoods. On the left side you can see the fences, and the right side also partially there are fences, but I'm not 100% sure again. So one thing I wanted to tell is that make sure you have enough water, and make sure your petrol tank is filled actually, because there are no shops or petrol bunks in this entire route. So please take care of that part alone. Another thing to keep in mind is animal crossings. On the right side, there is you can see warning boards actually. So such warning boards are a common sight across this route actually. Please make sure not to take too much speed, even the roads are kind of empty actually. Also at night, I think it's advisable not to ride through this road actually, because of animal crossings, like elephant crossings will be there, and also deer crossings, and very rarely people have also spotted leopards and tiger actually. So please be careful also about that, not just about the animal crossing but also about your own safety actually. However, I was not able to see any animals so far, probably because I am traveling in noon time and it's really hot actually. But let's see, going ahead, we might come across some sightings. So coming ahead, left there is one more sign. This one warns about forest fires. Yeah, that's another thing that we need to keep in mind, especially because it's summer and the whole place is dry. Actually, we need to be really careful, like smoking a cigarette and throwing the birds or some other reckless activities, which could start a small fire. Also, we know that how it could spread across and cause a large fire and then destroy a large part of the forest. So let's be careful and take care of that. So I just crossed the Kerala border and entered Tamil Nadu right now, and from here I think it's completely a different view and road actually. But on the border actually there will be a checking actually. There's a check post where you will have to stop and just you need to give your details and the destination where you are going. No much formalities apart from that. I couldn't shoot that part because I had kept my cam inside for charging actually. Also, I missed one more thing, which was a Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary. So I had a shortage of time, so I didn't visit the sanctuary. But if you are coming for a trip here, then you need to definitely check that place out. You would be able to see animals including Bengal tiger and Indian leopard. And in this area, actually, I missed to say that there is occasional sightings of black panthers also. Um, Yeah, so if you are coming, I think there are a couple of other things also you can check it out, which is one is the megalithic dolmens of Marayur, some ancient rocks and stuff like that. There are some caves also, and if you are actually coming for spending some time here, then I think there is some camping and other activities from private operators, or some ecotourism activities from the government side also, which is arranged by the forest department actually. You will be accompanied by guides. You can Google for the details on that. From the left side, there is a beautiful river flowing by. You could see it on the left or right side of this road. Actually, it's such a beautiful view. Probably this is the one that's starting from or going to the Thuvanam waterfalls. Actually, this is such a calming view. After long roads of forest, seeing some water and then different scenery and a little bit of chillness because of the river, it's such a beautiful, soothing experience right now. From here I literally cannot see the end of this road. Actually, it's just straight endless road with just trees on the left side and right side, and there is no vehicles coming in the opposite directions, no vehicles in front of me. It is such a mesmerizing riding experience. Right now on the left side again you can see some hills also. Just wow, riding experience. I'm literally loving this solo riding experience through this road. If you are also a solo ride lover, then definitely check this route. Actually, you are gonna love it actually, and I'm not sure like it's gonna be the same all throughout the day, but I think more or less the same experience you're gonna get to, and you're gonna love it actually, and. The only thing you probably need to take care would be food, water actually, because I couldn't see restaurants for a long distance. I had protein bars, however, with me, so I had in between take I took a quick stop and had some protein bars actually, and often when I stop, I'll be having some water also, which I already had stocked with me. So just keep that alone in mind, especially if you're riding during daytime. Just make sure that you are having enough water, or you could get dehydrated. So the road was almost the same for last couple of kilometers. It should be the same for some more time, and the view also is gonna be the same. I don't think I have much of a different view to show you. So from here I will be reaching Udumalpet, and from Udumalpet I will be going to Salem. But there is a route from Udumal to Pollachi. I might try to cover, but because of the hard summer heat I'm getting, I might avoid too, because by the time I reach it's gonna be mid noon actually. But otherwise I think that route is also good, because you will get a good view of a lot of wind farms actually. On either side you will be seeing huge windmills actually, so if you get a chance, check out that also. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll be sharing more of these videos. Please like this video if you liked. If you didn't like, please let me know in your comments what I can improve. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you all. Bye.